This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites. You're level 150 plus, have enough belly, and an active fruit reroll plan. Spawn near fruit islands and use a fast ship or teleport to check fruit spawns quickly. Once done, equip stamina-boosting items and a high DPS melee to speed kills. This raises reroll efficiency. Make sure to avoid PvP hotspots while hunting fruits so you don't lose time. Prioritize lightning fruit when it appears, and grab it quickly by using a fast dash or ship approach to avoid other players. Once you have lightning, immediately test its moves in an empty server to get muscle memory. Learning timing matters. Focus on combo rotations that flow. Light attack bursts into heavy ability cancels, then use your dash to reposition. Make sure to practice awakening timing and ability priority so you can burst before enemies react. Train on NPC islands and bosses to measure damage and refine spacing. Also, upgrade your energy and melee stats to maximize lightning's rapid hit scaling and reduce downtime between offensive windows. To finish, integrate lightning into optimized rotations with compatible fruits or haki. This increases burst potential during raids. Once done, join party runs and coordinate DPS windows. Communicate when to use big moves. Make sure to fine-tune keybinds and practice transitions under pressure so your hands stay lightning fast. If things go wrong and abilities lag or misfire, try switching servers, check your ping, clear cache, and reset controls. This single troubleshooting step often restores responsiveness and prevents lost trades or fruit snipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.